Stick around to see 3 easy crafts that you and the kids could do right now that are so unique, so cute, and all of this in time for Valentine's Day. Hey, of course I'm gonna mention that it was all inspired by this book, so you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to bring you another special book-inspired video. Yes, that is so correct. And if you don't know me, hi, I'm Cheryl, and I do easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books created by self-published independent authors. Because everybody knows that us independent authors don't get enough shine. And I also create games and activities as well. So if you rock with my content, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post, okay? All right, good. So now that we got all of that out the way, guys, I am so excited to tell you all about this book that inspired these awesome, cute crafts today. So the book that inspired all of this is called Hugs in the Mail by Kimberly Peters-Davis. In this picture book, we see Callie and Kaysen, who has a tough time being away from their grandmother. And it is very apparent in the book how much they love each other. So guys, you're going to have to check this book out to see all the creative ways that they are sending their love and their hugs through the mail. And yes, I did say through the mail. This is such an adorable story that celebrates grandparents and shows that there is nothing comparing to a grandmother's love. Amen to that, y'all. This book is perfect for kids aged 2 to 6, and I just love that the author Kimberly decided to focus and bring insight to this topic. Because, you know, with COVID and lockdowns, a lot of us had to be creative on how we was going to see our family and our relatives. So thank you to Miss Kimberly for reminding us that a family bond is a strong foundation in every child's life. And I really love this book too, guys. It is so relatable. Like, the characters are so relatable. So, guys, check this book out now. The website is linked in my description box, along with Miss Kimberly's socials. You can keep up with her. She writes many books. I believe this may be her 3rd book, if I'm not mistaken. But she has other books along with this, so definitely check out her social medias. Please hurry to those links too, because I noticed where her book is being sold, they got some really cute Valentine specials and packages running right now. So y'all might want to check those out and get a little bit of freebie on the side. I'm just saying. But anyway, that is our book that inspired all of this awesomeness. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to these crafts that I have provided from you, and I am guaranteed that you guys are going to love it. Let's go. Alright, so for this first one, I just call it heart hands because, like, this is the easiest one y'all could do. So we're going to start with this one first. Take your child's hand, put a variety of paints on the plate like I have here, put the hand in it, and make a nice closed finger. My daughter wasn't listening. Closed finger print. This is my 2-year-old Meet Malia, guys. Yes. That's why. It's still cute though, but it's given what it's given. All right, this is my 4-year-old. So you can kind of realistically see what you're going to get from which age limit. So we're going to go ahead and cut out Kimberly's hands since she actually did what Mama wanted her to do. She kept her fingers closed. And when you put the palms of your fingers together like this and kind of spread them out, they look like a heart. So what we did was we made a heart with our hands. Then we cut them out. And if you notice, I am cutting on the inside of the black line because I don't want the Sharpie on my beautiful heart. So really, guys, all you need to know is you're just gonna put your child's heart on a hand, put their hand on a piece of construction paper, and you're gonna cut it out in a heart shape. Super simple. I didn't use a stencil for this. I just kind of freehand draw, and I think it looks the best when it's freehand drawn. So yeah, don't get a stencil. If you want a stencil, if you can find a stencil to fit your child's hands, yeah, you could do that. All right, so now the next thing you are going to do is I did another trace of this because I am going to make this a locket. Yes, a locket, guys, because that is our second idea for this wonderful video. So you need 2 hearts. And if you can see here, I'm putting the message inside of my locket on the other heart, and then I'm just going to attach both hearts together. Keep watching. And yes, my hole punch is broken, but we're not gonna talk about that. What y'all can do is drop in the description box and hit that Cash App and send me some money for a new one. Anyway, okay. I actually decided, guys, I wanted to show y'all 2 different things. So instead of showing you the locket first, let me show you how I did a Pandora bracelet. Yes, I did a Pandora bracelet craft. Anyway, so those who can't afford it, this could be another. I'm just kidding, guys. This is a cute idea that kids can make their own Pandora bracelets and give it to their grandparents. Now keep watching, because you're gonna see us actually give these gifts that I am making to our very own grandmother. Shout out to you. So you see what I'm doing. I'm twisting, and I'm trying to just get the gold onto the black. And you don't have to use the same colors I'm using. I actually couldn't find the rest of my gold pipe cleaners, so we're gonna have to make do with what we got. And I think y'all should do the same. So I twisted the pipe cleaners, got them into a nice little bundle there, and then I'm now putting it on my wrist like a bracelet. See how cute that is already? And then the last thing I did is I found some of these gold beads to take the place of me not finding my gold pipe cleaners, right? So I am now wrapping this around the pipe cleaner, giving us our bracelet. Y'all gotta go with me. This is a craft. Come on, are you following? So there you have it. I just wrapped it around and I got this look right here. Super duper cute, right? And now we can put our first charm on our bracelet. And I just put it on by sliding it to the edge, and then I'm taking a little bit of that edge and I am wrapping it around to lock it. And that is our Pandora bracelet. Now, y'all, it is super duper big. I get it. The charm is huge. You don't have to make the charm that big. And you don't even have to do this as a charm. You can make this I don't know. You can continue. What are y'all gonna do with this? I just showed you guys what I did, and I love it. It's super cute. And like I said, keep watching. I'm gonna show you how it worked out when we gave it to our very own grandmother. You can also do this as a necklace too. So let me show you how to do it as a necklace. So I'm gonna actually show you a 2-in-1. We did some Valentine's Day gifts for my daughter's teachers, and I included this concept into that. So now you guys get a extra treat here. So go ahead and cut out, well, you should already have your heart ready, but here's another option. You can just cut out some more hearts like I'm doing here. And now that I have all my hearts cut out, I just made sure I cut out some medium size and then some hearts that are smaller than that size, and I am putting them inside of the hearts like this. And then you're almost done. So I'm gonna attach them, and then I'm going to turn them into a necklace and just keep watching. This one right here is another fun option as well. If you want to, or if you have older kids, you can show them how to do the sewing threading method like I'm doing here. This just gives it another element, another cute look. A bow. Hey, I like that, right? That looks cute. So attaching it is very simple. And looking back at it, this was actually used as a tag and a necklace on my kids' teachers' gifts. But looking back at it, the way I threaded it, just thread each side. I think it looks better that way. And you'll see me do that a little later on in the video. But thread each side separately. I kind of ran it through like, you know, just keep watching. You'll see what I'm talking about. You see how the string is in between the 2 hearts? I don't really like that. So I'm looking back at it. I'm like, yeah, I would have done it differently. But hey, it is what it is. I'm experimenting as I'm creating these with you guys. So yeah, we're learning together. And this is what it looks like as a necklace. Nice, right? And you put your message right here. And then you can give it to your special significant other. Like I said, I use these for my daughter's teachers, as you can see here. And I went ahead and just attached them to the actual gift. And if you want to see what the gift is, go to my Instagram, everybody. Go follow me Instagram. I made a reel yesterday showing you guys what's inside. All right, so now it is time for the final craft, and my favorite, by the way. That's why I saved it for last. We're gonna do the mailbox. All right, so you're gonna take your paper towel roll, right? You're gonna have your kids paint it, and I put several colors on there because I wanted them to mix and make this nice abstract explosion of. So you're gonna let this dry, and once it's dry, you're ready to do the rest. Super simple. So go ahead and cut this in half, right? And then you're gonna cut it again, hot dog style this time. Go ahead and stretch and open it up a little bit more so it's wider, so we can kind of get that shape of that mailbox. If you're following me, take your foam sheet, right? I got this one from Dollar Tree, so this is the exact size it came as. Perfect. But I need it to be a little shorter because I Okay, so now that I have stuck both sides down, it's now time to cut off the excess. So then I got that. Everything is good except I don't have any back on my mailbox. So I'm gonna use this as the front. It's a little shorter than I wanted to, but I'm just going to round it out so it could look like the door to the mailbox. And then I'm going to use another strap piece of paper, or piece of foam paper that I have left over, and I'm going to we made our flag. And the one thing I would do if I could do this again, which I will do this again, I will make the mailbox flap actually fit, and then I could close the mailbox and actually, well, I am going to use this to deliver mail, so it's up to you guys. You can have the mail open or you can just have it attached closed. If you want to attach it closed, you're going to have to make sure you make your lid big enough. Mine was slightly smaller, so I decided to keep it open, but it's still super cute. I love the way this turned out. So another additive addition to this craft, taking it to another level. Let's send our love in the mail. Go ahead and cut out some extra hearts. Put everything you feel about your grandmother on those hearts, or put how you would describe her. We did how we would describe our grandmother, and we put those hearts in the mail. So my daughter said those that's what her grandmother is, so we put it in the mail. And now look at how our grandmother reacted when we gave her all of these cute gifts.
Oh my goodness. That is just actually, I love that.
I like the mailbox.
That is precious. That is darling. I'm loving that. That's the first thing I noticed is the flag on the box.
Oh, this is so cute.
On the mailbox.
I'm aware.
Guys have been busy.
Yeah.
I'm putting on my necklace, my Kimmy and Malia.
Yeah.
And grandma just loved her gift. She wore the locket, she wore the Pandora bracelet the whole entire day yesterday. So that was super cute, super awesome surprise. So y'all have to try these crafts. I'm telling you, grandparents will eat it up. Anyway, guys, before we get out of here, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And don't forget to take pictures because I want to see all your experiences and tag me on Instagram. Also, don't forget to follow our author. The information is down in the description box below. And check out this adorable book, guys. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. This is a great book. So don't click off now because we got more videos for you to watch. So thank you for watching to the end. And now click this video right here to the left. You're going to really like it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.